Good morning, children. Standard 8. I have come today with the present perfect tense, and as I have described all other tenses, segregating in the category of statements, different kinds of statements, here also I'll be describing in the same form. So, first, if we see what is present perfect tense, the first sentence type is statements, and the form that you write is subject plus has or have plus the past participle, which is the third form of the verb. An example, she has solved all her sums. They have shifted to a new house. Interrogative sentences, here we have a question mark after each sentence. The form here is we start with has or have plus the subject plus past participle, which is the third form of the verb. The examples here are, have you lost your pen? Or has he topped the list? Negative sentences, here we start with the subject plus has or have plus not. We all know negative sentence has, you should use a not or never. And the past participle, which is the third form of the verb. Here the examples are, she has not heard from her mother for a long time. Example number 2, I have not finished my lesson. Interrogative negative sentences. Again, here there is a not plus a question. So under this form of sentence, you will start the sentence with has or have plus the subject plus not plus the past participle, which is the third form of the verb. Here, number 1, the sentence and the example is, has she not shifted to a new house? Question mark. Have you not betrayed your friend? Question mark. Okay. Next we have the present perfect continuous tense. If we talk about the present perfect continuous tense, in most of the cases, we'll see the sentences in the present perfect and the perfect continuous tense has the same meaning. I'm going to explain you the same now. Please note, it's important. Rule number 1. The use of present perfect continuous tense has some similarity with that of the present perfect tense. Example, she has lived here for 10 years. That means she is still living or has just stopped living. Okay, she has been living on. And if I talk about the other kind of sentence, that is continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, it says she has been living here for 10 years. It also means that she is still living or has just stopped living. Okay, so here we see that the two sentences above, one in present perfect tense and the other in the present perfect continuous tense, means the same thing. All right. Second rule, in the present perfect continuous, we use since to indicate the period of time. We can say, she has been sleeping since 10 p.m. The second sentence says, she has been sleeping for 10 hours. So when we use since, it has a specific time, and when we use for, it is just a duration of time. When we talk about present continuous tense, it is not used with an adverb indicating the past time. Like, a present continuous only says that the action is continuing in the present, but says nothing about the past. While in the present perfect continuous says that the action is still continuing in the present, though it began in the sometime in the past. Therefore, it will be wrong to say I am working since yesterday. But by putting yesterday, We have indicated that the action began some time in the past and the present continuous is meant for it. We may say, I have been working since yesterday. Did you understand this, children? So please keep all this in mind. Note down all the rules and do the worksheet which I have prepared for you. Here you see, fill in the blanks using the verb in the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense. As per whatever is applicable, use the words that is given in the brackets at the end of each sentences. Clear? I read out each sentence for you. I dash all your books. Please take them. She dash her work and she is going home now. Finish. Sham dash for 3 hours. The word is right. He dash just dash out. The word is go. That gentleman dash at the bus stop for an hour. The word is stand. So please make a note of this, complete your worksheet, and there is another worksheet I remember that I've given you, and we will discuss both the answers together in the next video. Thank you for today. Stay at home and be safe.